Welcome to RuggedMade. Today, we're looking at the FC185 Vibratory Plate Compactor. The FC185 has a weight of 185 pounds, and this allows it to compact up to 12 inches. These specs make this model the sweet spot when it comes to a machine that can do a wide variety of jobs. It's light enough for patios and potholes, yet heavy enough when more compaction is needed. Its plate is 21 inches long by 20 inches wide, and this is a good all-around size for jobs with a fair amount of area to cover, but it's a small enough machine to get into tight spots like corners and behind retaining walls. The FC185 is a forward-only design, so it's simple to operate. When you increase the throttle, the clutch engages and drives the vibrating unit through a belt that's protected by a cover. The FC185 comes with a reliable Briggs & Stratton XR series engine. The engine platform is mounted using rubber mounts for engine longevity. With the addition of a urethane pad, the FC185 becomes the perfect choice for compacting pavers and bricks without scratching or cracking them. A wheel kit can be attached to the FC185. With this accessory, you can easily move it around the job site, and the wheel kit remains on the compactor during use, so it won't get lost. The FC185 comes standard with a cage. The cage protects the engine, and it also provides a convenient lifting point. Even a small crew can get the FC185 into and out of a truck, perfect for when you don't have lifting equipment at the job site. Owning a compactor from RuggedMade is a great alternative to renting. It doesn't take many jobs to cover the initial cost of purchasing an FC185. For a growing construction, masonry, or landscaping company, this is a great way to expand your fleet. And if downtime on your current compactor is delaying work, having a backup can save a job and keep your customers happy. The FC185 ships free to your door. For more details, visit us at ruggedmade.com.